Hey guys, I'm Shreya and welcome to the Doctor.Traveller. This is the episode 4 of my Japan travel series, and today we are chasing Mount Fuji from the heart of Tokyo to the peaceful shores of Lake Kawaguchiko. Let's hop on some beautiful trains, grab some snacks and take you along on the scenic ride. Let's go. From Asakusa, we headed to the bustling Shinjuku Station to catch the limited express to Otsuki. This was just the beginning of a scenic ride. So here's a quick tip for everyone planning to explore Japan like we did. We bought the JR 7-day pass from Klook before arriving in Japan while we were still in India. It gives you unlimited travel on JR trains, including most Shinkansen and express trains, for 7 consecutive days. Super convenient and totally worth it if you are covering long distances like Tokyo to Mount Fuji or even Osaka. Plus, booking it online is super easy and it saves you from the hassle of buying individual tickets every time. We just had to exchange the voucher at the JR office after landing and we were good to go. Definitely a smart move if Japan's on your list. Now that our tickets and travel plans were all sorted, it was time to focus on something way more important: food. What's a long train journey without some snacks, right? Before hopping on to the limited express, we explored Shinjuku Station to grab some goodies for the ride. Shinjuku Station has endless options, and trust me, resisting them it's not easy. We picked up a few quick bites for the journey, and honestly, train food in Japan is a whole new experience in itself.
There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me.
After grabbing a quick meal, we boarded the limited express train from Shinjuku. It was fast, comfy, and slowly took us out of Tokyo's hustle into the scenic countryside.
Side is such a sweet life. Escape this time with me.
We got down at Otsuki Station, a small and quiet town where we had to buy separate tickets for Fuji Kyuko line, the local train that would take us to Kawaguchiko right at the foot of Mount Fuji. The Fuji Kyuko line was like stepping into a different world. Slow, local, nostalgic. It felt like we were leaving modern Japan behind and entering the countryside charm we'd been waiting for. The views kept getting better as we got closer to Fuji. On our way to Kawaguchiko, we passed through some cute countryside stations. One of them was Shimu Yoshida, which looked straight out of a storybook. We even caught a glimpse of the famous Thomas train, a colorful nod to the Thomas Land amusement park nearby. Japan really knows how to surprise you at every stop.
Or Shinjuku will need to purchase a separate reserved seat limited express ticket or an unreserved seat ticket in addition to their regular fare. Please purchase these tickets.
We finally arrived at Kawaguchiko Station, a charming little station nestled right at the base of Mount Fuji. The moment we stepped out, we were greeted with cool air, a slower pace, and a quiet excitement of being so close to the iconic mountain. Before we could start exploring, we had to sort out one important thing: currency exchange. Most places in Kawaguchiko prefer cash, so we walked over to a nearby bank for some yen. Just across the road from the Lawson store near Kawaguchiko Station is one of the most popular and surprisingly casual spots to view Mount Fuji. It's not a fancy viewpoint, just an open street corner with power lines, vending machines, and the everyday charm of the town. But when the skies are clear, you get a perfect postcard view of Mount Fuji right from here. Unfortunately, when we arrived, Fuji was playing hide and seek and completely hidden behind clouds. All we could do was hope and wait. So we took a break and walked over to the Lawson to grab some snacks. And just when we weren't expecting it, the clouds slowly parted. There she was, Fuji San, standing tall and stunning against the sky. That moment, simple, quiet, and magical, made everything worth it. After soaking in the view of Mount Fuji, we decided to head to the lake itself, Lake Kawaguchiko. It wasn't just a quick walk, we had to make our way down winding roads and gentle slopes. But every step brought us closer to nature. Lake Kawaguchiko is one of the Fuji Five Lakes, a group of scenic lakes formed by Mount Fuji's volcanic activity. Each one offers a unique angle of the Mount Fuji, but today we were here just for this one, and it was beautiful. Spending a peaceful hour by the lake Kawaguchiko, it was time to head back. We made our way uphill again and returned to Kawaguchiko Station, ready to leave behind the calm countryside and head back into the city buzz. From Kawaguchiko, we boarded the local train back to Otsuki Station, the same Fujikyoko line with its charming slow-paced vibe. At Otsuki, we switched to the JR Limited Express and began our journey back into Tokyo. This time, our stop was Akihabara, the electric heart of the city, full of lights, gadgets, and everything anime.
रैंडम टुकड़ा दे वाला वाली
After reaching Akihabara, we headed straight to one of the biggest tech stores in Japan, Yodobashi Akiba. We weren't really planning to buy anything, but we could not resist exploring. From cameras to coffee machines, gaming consoles to massage chairs, this place has everything. Each floor is like its own universe of tech, and it's easy to lose track of time just walking around. We told ourselves we were just here to look, just to look. But in a place like this, that's a dangerous thought.
चल लगेगा
After a long day of mountains, lakes, trains, snacks, clouds, and tech stores, we finally made our way back to our Airbnb. This day was everything we hoped Japan would be. Quiet moments by the lake, chasing clouds to find Mount Fuji, and ending it all with buzz of Akihabara. Sometimes the best days aren't about ticking boxes, they are about moments, the ones that make you pause, smile, and say, "This is why I travel." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Dr. Traveller.